Hospital. This is Wolf Durham. And this is a special edition of Sweet Dreams from the hospital. This is being recorded on a tape recorder. I found it in one of the day rooms. And I smuggled it back here into my room. We'll make this quick. You know, if you were listening to the last show, you know what happened. That fat sack of crap. Fat Patty. That shit stain. It's jealous of my fame. Jealous of my woman. Jealous of my Jazzy. You know, talk about that Jazzy, you know, it was fairly expensive. I did buy it second hand. But I love that thing, you know, it was the Elite. Model 1450. And now that beast is riding around on it, doing God knows what to it. While I recuperate from a vicious beating, Pat and that little rat-faced fuck, his little Weasley friend. I don't know his name, I'm gonna kill him if I see him. Rest assured, Wilf is still here, still getting it done. Even from this shitty hospital. Even though this will have to be edited when I get back home.
Will you be quiet? Please stop talking. What are you doing over there?
Excuse me. This is none of your business. I'm in the middle of the show. So go back to sleep.
What show? What are you talking about? Who are you talking to?
Oh, I'm recording it now, if you don't mind.
This is a dual room. You have no right.
A what? A dual room? What in the hell is that? Who calls it that? It's a double room, you idiot!
It's a dual room, and who the hell are you anyway?
None of your goddamn business. Who the hell are you?
M. Carlton Rudiger, I told you.
Yeah, well, anyway, the show must go on, right? So, yeah, screw it. Let's talk about hospital food, I guess.
How dare you?
Yeah, you know, it's gross. What else can I say? You want a review? Okay, here's a rundown of last night's dinner, which is currently occupying this bedpan over here.
Excuse me.
We get turkey with gravy, Wonder Bread. Wonder Bread, do you believe this? The turkey slices have what can only be described as beauty marks on them. These weird brown spots. Disgusting.
Excuse me.
And then some mashed potatoes. They had a gluey consistency, like real lumpy and stretchy. It was awful. No seasoning at all. Just like on the mixed veggies.
Shut up!
Yeah, which was bland and mushy, probably for assholes like my neighbor Carlo over here. Yeah, how you doing, Carlo?
My name isn't Carlo, it's F.
And
Carlton
for dessert,
Rudiger.
Jello. Jello, I mean, am I in fucking prison over here?
I'm calling the nurse on you. You won't stop it. You're out of control.
Oh, yeah, screw you, Carlo. Out of control. What the hell does that even mean, out of control?
That's it.
Don't you hit that button. Don't you call that nurse. You give me that button.
No!
You son of a bitch. Oh, you get over here. Come over, you go. You gotta
Get off me! How dare you! Unhand me!
You
Get off me! Oh, my arm! My arm!
Code blue. Code blue. Security to ER.
Well, I guess it's time to go. See you next time, Sweet Dreams. I gotta go.